All right, here we come to the second elevator here at Post Houston in downtown Houston, Texas. I believe this one is a Schindler 5500. Actually, a 3300 XL, my very first. The lantern doesn't work. It's got a different cap sign too. R. Wow, look at that view. I'm gonna have to check it out after this video. Look at this nice elevator. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at the ceiling, high. I'll go for one more ride and then we'll end it up at the top. The door could use some work. I think I just heard another elevator. Anyway, I don't know if this is a Schindler 3300 XL or 5500 or something. All right, let's go down to one and we'll end the video back up here. I think I just hear another elevator. It's got an innovation chime or something. All right, we're gonna end the video at the roof level and I have to keep talking over the music. You can hear the motor. Anyways, we're gonna end the video up on the roof level because I want to check out this place. All right, watch the button go out. All right, since there's music playing outside, I'm just gonna show you from this far. So there's a view into downtown Houston, and that'll be it.